Let's explore the intricate process of spaghetti production, where simplicity meets precision to create a staple beloved worldwide. The journey from wheat to the delicious strands on our plates involves careful selection, processing, and craftsmanship. So, how do they do it? The first step in making high-quality spaghetti is selecting the finest ingredients, with durum wheat being the star. Durum wheat is chosen for its high protein content and strong gluten, which are key to creating a dough that is firm, elastic, and holds its shape when cooked. This type of wheat is grown in specific regions known for their optimal growing conditions, which ensure a consistent and reliable harvest. The selection process starts at the farm, where the wheat is carefully monitored and harvested at the right time to ensure peak quality. Once harvested, the wheat undergoes a cleaning process to remove impurities such as stones, dust, and other debris. This is a critical step because any impurities can affect the texture and quality of the final product. The cleaned wheat is then tested for quality attributes, including moisture content, protein levels, and gluten strength. Only the best batches are selected for milling into semolina, the coarse flour used in pasta production. Water, the only other ingredient in traditional pasta, must be pure and free from contaminants to ensure the dough's consistency and taste are not compromised. By meticulously selecting and preparing these ingredients, manufacturers set the stage for producing spaghetti that meets high standards of quality and taste. This careful selection process ensures that the final product will be able to withstand the rigors of cooking, while delivering a satisfying texture and flavor that consumers expect. After selecting the best durum wheat, the process of transforming it into semolina begins, a critical step in making high-quality pasta. The journey starts with conditioning the wheat, where it is slightly moistened. This step helps toughen the outer bran layer, making it easier to separate from the inner endosperm during milling. Once conditioned, the wheat kernels are passed through a series of rollers and sifters designed to break down the grains gradually. The milling process involves several stages, each aimed at refining the wheat into progressively finer particles. Initially, the wheat is ground to separate it into three main components: bran, germ, and endosperm. The endosperm is the key focus, as it contains the semolina needed for pasta production. The milling continues to refine the endosperm, removing any remaining bran and germ fragments. The aim is to produce semolina that is fine and golden yellow, prized for its rich color and ideal texture for pasta making. The granule size of the semolina is a critical factor. If too coarse, the dough can be gritty, while too fine semolina might not form a cohesive dough. To ensure the semolina meets strict quality standards, it is carefully screened to achieve uniform granule size. This consistency is crucial, as it directly impacts the quality of the pasta dough, ensuring it is elastic and can hold its shape during processing and cooking. The finely milled semolina not only provides the necessary structural integrity, but also contributes to the pasta's ability to absorb sauces, enhancing the overall culinary experience. The entire milling process is a blend of precision and care, transforming the raw wheat into a refined product ready for pasta production. By the end of this process, the semolina possesses the perfect balance of texture and color, setting the foundation for high-quality pasta. This attention to detail ensures that the semolina will yield a dough that is both workable and durable, essential characteristics for creating the perfect spaghetti. With the semolina prepared, the next step in the production line involves mixing it with water to create the dough, a crucial phase in crafting the beloved pasta. This finely milled semolina, a product of meticulous milling, ensures that the pasta will have the desired texture and cooking properties, making it a staple in kitchens worldwide. The journey from wheat to semolina is a testament to the importance of each step in producing high-quality pasta, emphasizing the blend of traditional milling techniques with modern technology to achieve the best results. Creating the dough is a straightforward but highly controlled process that sets the foundation for the texture and quality of the final product. the semolina and water are mixed together in precise ratios. The standard formula involves about 100 kilograms of semolina to 30 liters of water. The water hydrates the semolina, activating the gluten and creating a cohesive dough. In large factories, this mixing process is handled by industrial mixers, designed to blend the ingredients evenly and thoroughly. The mixing phase is critical, as it determines the dough's elasticity and strength. If the dough is not mixed properly, it can lead to inconsistent pasta that either breaks easily or becomes too tough. The temperature and humidity levels in the mixing area are carefully controlled to ensure optimal conditions for dough formation. This prevents the dough from becoming too sticky or too dry, both of which can affect the final product's quality. Once the ingredients are mixed, the dough is kneaded to develop the gluten network further. This kneading process makes the dough elastic and able to hold together well, which is essential for the next steps. The kneaded dough is then allowed to rest for a short period. This rest time helps relax the gluten, making it easier to shape the dough into the desired pasta forms. The resulting dough is smooth, pliable, and ready to be shaped into spaghetti, setting the stage for the pasta's final texture and cooking qualities. In the shaping process, the dough begins to take on its iconic spaghetti form. The well-prepared dough is fed into extruders, which press it through specially designed dies to create the long, thin strands characteristic of spaghetti. The material of these dies, often either bronze or Teflon, plays a significant role in determining the pasta's final texture. Bronze dies are favored for creating a rougher surface on the pasta, which is excellent for holding sauces, enhancing the dish's flavor and texture. In contrast, Teflon dies produce a smoother pasta surface, which some consumers prefer for its sleek appearance and different cooking properties. As the dough is extruded, it is cut to the desired length, and the fresh spaghetti strands are either laid out flat or hung on racks. This setup is crucial for the initial stages of the drying process. During this phase, maintaining uniform thickness and length is critical to ensuring that the pasta cooks evenly, which is an essential quality for both home cooks and professional chefs. At this stage, the freshly cut spaghetti still retains a significant amount of moisture, making it soft and fragile. Therefore, it must be handled with care to prevent the strands from sticking together or breaking. The arrangement on racks allows for optimal air circulation, helping to prepare the pasta for the next stage of drying. The shaping process is not just about forming spaghetti, it also sets the foundation for its texture and cooking characteristics. The choice between bronze or Teflon dies and the careful control of dough consistency and extrusion speed all contribute to the unique qualities of each batch of spaghetti. This attention to detail is what makes each strand of pasta consistent in texture and shape, ensuring a high-quality product that meets culinary standards. Moreover, the shaping process ensures that the spaghetti will have the proper bite or al dente quality that many consumers seek. The uniformity achieved in this stage also guarantees that the pasta will cook evenly, providing a consistent dining experience. This meticulous process, therefore, plays a critical role in defining the final product's quality, from its texture to its ability to hold sauces and its overall appeal on the plate. In summary, the shaping process in spaghetti production is a combination of precise machinery, skilled craftsmanship, and careful material selection. It ensures that the pasta is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also meets the desired culinary standards for texture and cooking performance. This stage is a vital step in delivering a product that satisfies both the functional and sensory aspects of spaghetti, ready to be enjoyed in a variety of dishes. The drying phase is a crucial step in the spaghetti production process, significantly influencing the final texture and shelf life of the pasta. After the pasta is shaped, it is moved to specialized drying chambers, where it undergoes a meticulously controlled drying process. This process involves gradually reducing the moisture content of the pasta under carefully monitored temperature and humidity conditions. The duration and specific conditions of drying can vary depending on the type and thickness of the pasta, typically ranging from a few hours to several days. Managing the drying process with precision is essential to prevent the pasta from cracking or becoming too brittle. A slow and steady drying approach helps to preserve the pasta's nutritional value and flavor, while also achieving the desired firmness and texture. Initially, the pasta goes through a pre-drying phase where the surface moisture is quickly reduced. This step is crucial for setting the pasta's structure. It is then followed by a prolonged, slower drying phase that evenly removes the remaining moisture, stabilizing the pasta and preventing any internal cracks or surface splits. Throughout this process, the pasta is closely monitored to ensure consistent moisture reduction and the development of the ideal texture. Advanced technology, including sensors and control systems, is used to maintain the optimal drying environment. These systems help prevent fluctuations in temperature and humidity, which could compromise the quality of the pasta. Maintaining a stable drying environment is key to ensuring that the pasta dries evenly and retains its structural integrity. After the drying phase is complete, the spaghetti is gradually cooled and acclimated to room temperature. This step is important to prevent condensation and ensure that the pasta remains stable during packaging and transportation. The careful management of the drying process not only maintains the quality and flavor of the pasta, but also extends its shelf life, ensuring that it remains fresh and safe for consumption over time. This comprehensive drying process is essential for producing high-quality spaghetti that meets consumer expectations for taste, texture, and durability. By meticulously controlling every aspect of drying, manufacturers can deliver a product that is both delicious and long-lasting, ready to be enjoyed in kitchens around the world. Quality control is a continuous process throughout the spaghetti production line, ensuring that each batch meets the company's standards and consumer expectations. It begins with the raw materials, where the durum wheat and water are tested for purity and quality. During the milling process, the semolina is checked for its particle size and consistency, which are critical for dough formation. As the dough is mixed and kneaded, samples are taken to assess its elasticity and hydration levels. The shaped pasta is inspected for uniformity in size and shape, ensuring that each strand is consistent in thickness and length. This uniformity is crucial for even cooking, as it ensures that all the pasta cooks at the same rate. During the drying phase, the pasta is monitored for moisture content, with sensors providing real-time data to ensure the pasta is drying evenly and achieving the desired texture. Any deviations from the set parameters are quickly addressed to maintain the quality of the product. Quality control extends to the final stages of packaging, where the pasta is weighed and sealed. The packaging is inspected for any defects, such as incomplete seals or damaged containers, which could compromise the freshness and safety of the pasta. Additionally, the packaged products are labeled with batch numbers and expiration dates, providing traceability and information for both retailers and consumers. Sensory evaluations are also conducted, where trained professionals taste and assess the pasta for its flavor and texture, ensuring it meets the company's standards before it reaches the market. Packaging is the crucial final stage in the spaghetti production process, where the pasta is meticulously prepared for distribution and sale. Once the spaghetti has successfully passed all quality control checks, it's carefully weighed and portioned into the desired package sizes. The packaging materials, typically plastic bags or cardboard boxes, are selected for their ability to protect the pasta from moisture, light, and physical damage, ensuring the spaghetti remains in optimal condition. This step is particularly important as it safeguards the pasta's quality throughout its shelf life. The packaging process is largely automated, employing advanced machinery to precisely fill, seal, and label each package. This automation not only enhances efficiency and consistency, but also allows manufacturers to meet the high demand for spaghetti. The automation systems are calibrated to handle the delicate nature of the pasta, preventing breakage and ensuring that each package is uniformly filled. Each package is then labeled with essential information, including the product name, net weight, cooking instructions, and expiration date. This labeling is crucial for consumers, providing them with the necessary details to choose the right product and prepare it correctly. Additionally, the labels often feature branding elements such as logos, colors, and designs, which help to attract consumers and communicate the product's quality and authenticity. Some manufacturers are increasingly incorporating eco-friendly packaging options using recyclable or biodegradable materials to minimize environmental impact and appeal to environmentally conscious consumers. Once the spaghetti is packaged, it is transported to temperature-controlled warehouses. These storage facilities maintain the pasta at optimal conditions, preventing exposure to extreme temperatures or humidity, which could compromise its quality. The warehouses are strategically located to facilitate efficient distribution to retailers and consumers, ensuring that the product arrives fresh and ready for consumption. Proper packaging is not just about aesthetics or branding. It plays a critical role in protecting the spaghetti from damage and contamination. This meticulous approach to packaging helps maintain the pasta's quality, texture, and flavor from the factory to the consumer's kitchen. The entire process, from packaging to distribution, is designed to be both efficient and hygienic, ensuring that every package of spaghetti reaches the consumer in perfect condition, ready to be enjoyed in a variety of delicious dishes. So there you have it, the fascinating journey from durum wheat to the delicious strands of spaghetti we all love. This process blends traditional craftsmanship with modern technology to produce a product cherished in kitchens around the world. If you want to explore more exciting stories and innovative ways in beverage and food production, watch our next video.